How to cut grass for foreclosed properties. Providing lawn care to foreclosed property owners is part detective work and part sales work. Foreclosed properties rarely have signs or other identifying information about who took the legal action necessary to foreclose and evict the previous owner. Finding the owners of foreclosed property means doing the investigative work to get the contact information needed to get the work. After finding out who owns the property, it takes professional sales efforts to get the job and, more importantly, keep the job during the period the property is vacant, renovated if necessary and marketed for a new owner. Things you will need: telephone, business cards, brochure of services provided, prepared contract for services, lawnmower, leaf blower, string trimmer, rake, utility trailer. Find the foreclosed property's owner. Start by asking the neighbors near the foreclosed property if they know who took possession of the property. If they know, move to Section 2. If they do not know, go to Step 2. Contact the local government office that records property deeds and liens. Ask for information about the property's address. Be prepared to pay a fee for information provided. Use the telephone to contact the owner and make an appointment to discuss your services. Sell your lawn care services. Arrive for your appointment dressed professionally. Offer your business card and brochure detailing your services, your costs and your scheduled availability to keep and care for the foreclosed property lawn. Be prepared to answer any questions, especially about billing and purchase orders. Present a contract for services when details of services are satisfactorily determined by both parties. Sign the contract and have the foreclosed property owner or assigned sign as well. Give a copy of the contract to your new customer. Perform lawn care work on foreclosed property. Arrive on schedule and do necessary work quickly and professionally. Bring only gas-powered lawn care equipment. There is no guarantee the property has electricity or any access to a power supply. Rake and remove all lawn debris with the utility trailer to the municipal landfill.